Hello, welcome back. In this video, I would like to show you how you can duplicate apps on your iPhone, which means you can use the same app on one device. Now you can see here I have Facebook on my device here, and they are both working, and I can launch both of them. And this is my iPhone SE on iOS 14. For this process, it doesn't require jailbreak, so it does support on any version of your phone. And you can see here my iPhone SE is on iOS 14. Now let's get straight into the video on how to do it. Now let's go back to our PC, but first I need to delete one Facebook, so I'm gonna delete it, and then we can begin the installation. So we're gonna duplicate Facebook app. For this process, you can also duplicate like other app like WhatsApps and so on. So it is depend on you, but for this video, I'm gonna focus on Facebook. So I'm gonna duplicate Facebook app. Now on my PC, I can just go to my browser, and then I need to download one software called Silently, and this is the software that has just been released, and it is an alternative to CD Impactor. So if you have already used CD Impactor, you may already know about that. So for this software, it supports on Windows, and you can just scroll down and click on the download button here. But for me, I have already downloaded, so you can see on my desktop here, I can just right click and then run it as administrator. One more thing on your PC, make sure your PC is connected to the internet as well. Otherwise this software doesn't work, so make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Now you're gonna see this page pop up, but first you need to download the Facebook IPA file. So I'm gonna go back to my browser and then go to IPA library. You can find this link in my video description. You can see here I can also duplicate Instagram, or like YouTube, or even Twitter, and even WhatsApp. So you can choose what is best for you. But for this one, I'm gonna focus on Facebook, so I'm gonna go to this one. I can just click on it. To download the IPA, you can just scroll down and click on download IPA right here. Click on that, then click on download, and it will download on the top here. So if you are using Firefox, you're gonna see it is download right here. You can click on save, but for me I have already done that, so I don't need to re-download it. So I'm gonna go back. Now go to silently here. You can see my device is connected, and you can see it is recognized by my PC. And one more thing, you need to include your Apple ID email, so I have already included. Now I can just select my IPA file, then you can click on that. It's gonna pop up this page, so you need to select the IPA that you have just downloaded. So I'm gonna go to download, because I placed my IPA right here, so I can just double click to open, and we should be able to click on start. Now I'm gonna click on start, then it will doing its process. So all you have to do, just wait for this process to finish, and I'm gonna wait for my phone here. Now it is completely done, and you're gonna see one more Facebook on my home screen, and you can see here. But first, in order to open this one, you need to trust in settings. Now I'm gonna go back to settings, then I'm gonna go to general, then scroll down and click on profile and device management, and you need to trust one more time. Now go back, you should be able to run Facebook, and you can see here. And on the other one, the original one, it does work too, and you can see we have both of them. So thanks for watching. I hope you like, and I hope this video is help you. Then I will catch you guys in the next one.